So AJ was supposed to come over and do his motor mounts today, but everybody got here late, so we're gonna do that tomorrow. But then we also decided that we were hungry, and you guys said that we needed to go back to Portillo's and try the chocolate shake and their cheeseburgers.
So
that turned into about $60, $70 worth of food.
And
also,
cake.
Birthday cake!
Yesterday was AJ's birthday, so they gave him a free cake. Happy birthday, Alfonso.
Thanks, little bun bun.
Here's what $60 worth of Portillo's looks like. 2 double bacon cheeseburgers, 1 portobello burger, 1 fish burger, because Marley does not like to eat anything other than fish and chicken, or
Yeah, that's right. And turkey, but whatever.
poultry.
Birds and swimmy things.
So we got a portobello burger for her. We got a fish sandwich. We got a chicken sandwich. 2 large orders of fries. 1 chocolate cake milkshake. Yours was a strawberry.
Strawberry lemon cake milkshake.
That's $60 worth of food from Portillo's. Finally got my gardeneras. Officially the next day, I am incredibly hungover right now. My buddy Arthur from Chicago came into town and he likes to get me trashed. So I was at the bar until 3 a.m. last night. I feel like garbage. He's gonna do all the work. I'm gonna sit down and just annoy the crap out of him. All I'm gonna do is help him put the freaking bike on the lift. Take 2. Before you talk about me ditching the freaking ratchet straps, Josh and Shay stole mine, so I gotta go old school. All right, AJ, YouTube lessons. What are we doing today?
Well, I replaced the front motor mount.
Talk to the camera, talk to them.
Oh, who is it? So I replaced this front motor mount last week, and we got a little bit of vibration. So I'm going to try and align the motor a little better, which entails loosening up the motor mounts, let the engine idle, sets itself into place.
Too much information, get to the fun part.
This is the fun part.
Oh, my head hurts.
But first, we need a jack.
Did you introduce yourself to them? Did you tell them who you are?
My name is AJ. Don't say it. Wait. Let me get it framed. Don't say anything. What's my name, bitch?
You want me to say it? You know what I'm gonna say.
Not time for Alfonso to come out. Camera shy.
Action.
Oh, god damn it. How do you do this, Flip? How do you do this? This is tough.
With alcohol.
What's up, folks? Dyna Bro Special here.
Oh, you stop.
Ah! I stole your line.
All kidding aside, he's got to recenter his motor mounts, so he's got to lift up the engine and blah blah blah. So let's see what he does.
So the idea is to get the motor up to where there's no weight on the motor mount. Everything moving free so it's not binding up at all. So it may take a little bit of adjustment and a lot of sitting on the ground and looking around. Sorry, I know this is not helping your hangover situation.
Do it on purpose now.
Is it loud?
No, AG, it's lovely.
I know. So this is what we're going for. See how that moves? No. It's light in here. We've got these loosened up. Can pretty much turn them by hand, so they're lined up pretty well. Could probably use another spacer in there just to get that sitting right. And this one, the bottom one, nice and freely. You good?
Getting there.
Take a nap.
So AJ, what is this piece of crap?
We call them Flip.
The other piece of crap.
Oh, it's a 14 Dyna lowrider.
It's not an S.
Everybody likes to point that out here. What's up with that?
It's not special.
All the chrome.
Ooh, girl.
Oh yeah, look at the bling, baby.
And AJ, why do you have to replace the motor mount on it?
Because Dyna motor mounts suck. Dyna dude. Yeah, we were going to where was that? We were going Birds.
Fort Charlotte.
Yeah.
Black Widow.
And I was trying to.
Birds Black Widow.
I was trying to keep up around 55, 60 miles an hour, whatever the legal limits there.
It's called Dyna shakes because Dynas shake at anything over 20 miles an hour.
The engine shimmies back and forth in the frame.
AJ, why don't you tell the people about all the stupid things you've done to that stupid motorcycle?
Oh, dude, oh yeah, sure. We get off the ground first.
Look, he's got the red spark plugs.
Let's start
At the
from
red spark
bottom.
plugs.
From the bottom to the top. Red moto pegs, anodized, courtesy of
I'm finally cool.
off the Dyna bolt itself. Yes.
When you're sourcing parts from freaking Yamahas, you're doing something wrong.
Or right.
Ow.
Let's see.
My head hurts.
You gotta get in here and get the custom Michelin white, not white, lettering.
I'm not moving the camera.
Yeah, check that out. You can see it from there.
Okay.
It's terrible. Screaming Eagle plug wires, 10 horsepower.
Minus.
Drag specialty, I think these are 12.5. Lay down license plate, Moon's MC, integrated tail light with turn signals.
That's probably the coolest part of your whole motorcycle.
No turn signals. Dyna lowrider seat
Tell them about your stupid handlebars.
with the, we're getting to that. We're getting to that, man. Dang
Saving
it.
words for last.
Well, we're working from the regular Harley stuff up to the Dyna Bro stuff. That's the way you do it, all right? As Flip was saying. Up here to the...
Are you in frame? Are you in frame?
No, I am.
Are you?
I am not. Virginia. That's where I'm from, actually, so... Hey, check it out. Cool. 11-inch forbidden motorcycle. Stupid, dumb, high-rise riser. Oh, yeah. Flip's just, I don't know.
Bitter and angry?
I hate
And
it.
hungover?
Crater fairing, LED headlight, camo, riser bag, what do you call it, handlebar bag.
Hurry up and get that thing off my lift.
Damn, dude. It is a Harley. Relax, calm down.
In its natural habitat.
It takes time.
About 2 hours later, my hangover is still killing me. AJ is done with his bike.
Finally.
He did the motor mounts. He did the bushings. Now he's got to make sure he didn't break his motorcycle. Like he broke his heat shields.
Yes. They gone. But they be back.
All right, let's see if you just don't die, because I don't want to take you to the hospital. I'm too hungover.
Okay. So we do gotta go get some oh, bars look straighter.
Straight is good.
Burn out? No.
thought it was supposed to shake less. What a jerk. That was a quick test ride.
It'll do.
I mean, it's a Dyna. There's only so much you can do with that thing.
It'll do burnouts.
It's the best Harley Davidson ever made. Surprise, surprise, AJ's Dyna still shakes. We're gonna go meet up with Kyle and Jenna, and hopefully some beer cheese and waffle fries will cure this hangover.
And my sadness for my lunch.
And tequila. And off to Social House we go. I personally believe at this point, eating twice in one episode, not gonna do it. So, this is where I'm gonna end this one. Folks, you all know how this works. Do not forget to like this video. Do not forget to subscribe. And as always, I'll catch you on the flip side. Whoop.
A few inches later.
The f*** are you doing?